Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the My TV is on and on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. This lets devices discover each other. Once done, open the YouTube app on the TV or confirm Chromecast is available. This is the bridge. Sign into the same Google account on TV or enable guest pairing to avoid permission blocks. Do this now so you won't stall during casting. You're aligning network, account, and app, which are the three prerequisites to start streaming. You next open YouTube on your phone and tap the cast icon in the player or top bar. This searches the local network for receivers. Select the My TV name when it appears. If you can't find it, make sure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi and restart the app. When the TV shows a prompt, allow the pairing or enter the pairing code shown on screen. This secures the link. Doing these steps connects playback control and lets you cue videos from your phone. You'll now control playback from your phone, play, pause, seek, change subtitles and quality, while the TV handles rendering for better sound and screen size. If casting fails, reboot the router, My TV, and phone in that order. This clears IP conflicts and discovery issues. Make sure the YouTube app and My TV firmware are up to date because old versions can break casting. If problems persist, switch to guest pairing or use an HDMI dongle as a fallback. These steps resolve most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.